Hi guys, Kevin Tharp here. What I want to do today in this video is I want to show you how you're going to do your show and tell for this class. You'll see that I have set up a test room and a final presentations room. This test room is a place for you to go in and kind of get a feel for it and give yourself a chance to practice before you actually do your recording of the final presentation. So the way to find these rooms, you come into Learn at UW-Stout, you click on Other Tools, and you choose Online Rooms. When you come into Online Rooms, you are going to see these two. Now, these rooms are only available to the students who are signed up for the online courses. So if you're enrolled in a face-to-face course, you are expected to do your presentation live, so this does not apply to you. So what I'd like you to do is come into the test room, and I'm going to show you how this process goes. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to join. You've all been set up as moderators so that when you come in, it'll allow you to do it. It's going to download some files. It's going to set up some Java stuff on your account or your PC to allow you to do it. So you'll see it downloads this file. You'll launch that. It's going to go through a Java 7 setup, and there's no way around doing this. So it's going to launch that, and then what it's going to do is it's going to set up a room like this, and I'm going to open it up here where you can see it. So when you come in here, you'll notice that it said when I came in, recording is in progress. I've got these set up to automatically record when you come in, so you don't have to worry about recording and saving the recordings to view later. It's automatically set to do that when you come in. Now there's a couple things that you're going to want to do. The first thing you want to do is you want to come in and you want to push this talk button. That will record the audio into here. If you don't see the talk button going, then it's not recording your audio. So you should be able to see this going back and forth. If you don't see that, then you'll need to come into the audio setup wizard and go through that process. Now I've already done that, so it won't let me do it. Now you can set up your video here, but generally speaking that's going to probably cause you problems. What it would do is it would turn on your webcam, but when we start running into bandwidth issues related to this, so I would recommend that you probably turn that off. And what we're going to do is we're going to watch on the screen. You're going to show us what you've got going on. So make sure that your audio is rolling, and then you come up here, and the easiest way to do this is to use the web tour. So you click on web tour, and then you enter the URL of your web page that you're going to be demonstrating, and that's going to bring it in here. So it's going to set it up in a browser, and that will allow you to go through the different areas, walk through the different things that you're supposed to show me, and I'll give you the specifications of what I want to see in your recording. That's part of the requirements. I want to know approximate number of hours that it took you to work on it. I want to know what the hardest thing was and what you like the best about your site, and then I want you to do a walkthrough of the site for me so that I can see what you've got, your peers can see what you've done, and that's the nature of the show and tell. So what you'll find is when you're done, oh, there it is, under help you go to leave session. What that's going to do is it is going to exit you from that session, and it's going to save what you've done, and it takes a little while before it gets to the archive. So you'll see that it's dropping you out, and when you go back in here, what's going to end up happening is you won't see it right away. It takes, I don't know, sometimes it takes a half hour, sometimes it takes an hour or more, and it depends upon how many places or how much use the system is getting before it will show up. But what you'll be able to do is you'll come in here and you'll be able to choose View Archives, and there will be a item listed there for that archive. Now you'll notice that I just went through that. I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's actually showed up, because I did a test in the final presentations. So there will be something like this. You're not going to be able to change the name of it, so make sure you introduce yourself when you are actually doing your recording. And so from there, what you would be able to do is you'd be able to click on that. It's going to go through the same process that you did, and you'd be able to watch it to see how it actually shows up. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come into the test room, and you're going to want to do your test. And then after you're comfortable with doing this, then you're going to want to go in and record your final presentation. Really, I'm looking at probably 10 minutes or less for you to do this. So sort of have that 5 to 10 minute idea of how long you're going to spend doing your show and tell. That's all I got. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.